How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing pretty well. So, how is
Okay,
the
how is weather there?
yeah? It's normal,
Okay,
not
that's good.
too
So
hot
these
nor
these days are festival days, so enjoying you?
yes. I'm enjoying.
Okay, you celebrate Ganesh festival at your home?
Yes, yes. I celebrate.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'm also celebrating Ganesh festival for 10 days because I'm
Okay.
in Maharashtra. And in Maharashtra, this festival are popular here.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I uh, I heard about this in
Yeah.
Maharashtra. It's a very popular festival, and
Yeah.
everyone celebrate this festival.
Yeah, all people are busy with festival. They give morning time and evening time to go the big pandal and doing two times aarti,
Yes, yeah.
preparing
So
prasad, lots of prasad for people.
okay. So like modak and other things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, we want prepare modak every day at morning and at evening. Two times prepare modak for Ganpati.
Okay. So can you tell me how to make modak?
Yeah, of course. It's very simple. It's different types of modak in different ways we are making. Now I'm making for wheat flour kneado and putting anything you have like jaggery powder or you coconut powder. You fill it and you make the roll it like round and give the shape
Okay.
of modak. Yeah, this type. Not because sometimes from some people are frying and some people are boiling the modak, making a different. Yeah, this I'm
So
making.
nice.
Mm,
Yeah.
yeah,
So you go to the temple for aarti and
yeah, yeah,
other birthday.
yeah. In my society, all member are uh, come together and they celebrating Ganesh festival at one place and
Yes.
make a big pandal and their Ganpati is situated. So all
Okay.
people will come together at one time, like it's morning 8:30 or the evening 8:30. So, because some free at morning 8:30 and some free at night 8:30 after they come office or their work. Then they
Okay.
we will doing aarti that time and celebrating all like festival dancing like program, conducting a new program for children because they enjoying there after the aarti.
It was lots of fun and
Yeah,
good worship.
yeah, yeah. 10 days are very because some people are came together with and enjoying this celebration. This is the main motive of this celebration because
Yeah.
no time of people to get one to one conversation and meeting to go at
Yes, yes.
their house.
Time everyone are too busy.
Yeah,
Yeah, they meet on any festival and they celebrate all these things
yeah, of course.
and
Because
yeah.
nowadays and people are only prefer sitting at one place at home, not going anywhere and not talking to neighbor
Yes,
also. Some people are doing this.
yes, yes.
They not go
Most of
outside
time
for
people they're spending their time when they get free, then they spend their time on mobile using mobile.
yeah, yeah, of course. Because they are busy with work every day and in afternoon they want also naps, short naps. So they don't go anywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
So
your
this festival are
uh,
very important for that to uh, making a friends, friends at that festival. Because sometimes
yeah,
we don't know about the others neighbor who are living there, and what is the how many members there. We don't know that time.
yes. Yeah, at this time you meet many new people.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
many new people, and
Okay.
and and also knew about the new things about some people are thinking very differently.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Everyone has different thoughts and other
yeah,
things.
yeah. And there are and her person differentiate your thoughts, a new point and new way of thinking. So we share
Yes, yes.
these things with each
Yeah,
other.
we share to each other. This
Yeah,
thing is
yeah,
new.
yeah,
So,
yeah, of course.
and her child is the
Yeah,
slept.
yeah. One is my child is playing, and one is with her father, because today is holiday to my husband.
Okay.
That's why. That's why trying to
Okay.
connecting some of people on the today and tomorrow, like weekend. But some people are not available that time.
Yes, I'm also trying, uh, but most of people are not available. So that's why I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
I want to talk to you.
Mhm. Of course. So, how is your child?
Good, and he came back from school right now.
Okay. So today is not holiday to him. Okay, okay.
They are only
He's like
Sunday, and
he's
if any festival, then that time
uh,
is holiday. And
only one day in 1 week, one day like Sunday is
yes,
holiday. Because some school are Saturday and Sunday giving a holiday to that day on
yes,
weekend. Like in CBSE school, like they give
yes. But
holiday.
here is not like this.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
only Sunday. Yeah. And if any festival, then that time it is holiday.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, not. Yes.
Okay. And in Christmas or Diwali, they are also holidays to 5 to 10 days
Yes.
to children to school. Yeah, yeah. That's
Summer, sorry, winter vacation after uh, his exam, winter
yeah,
vacation
in
start.
December, like 25
Yes,
December.
this yeah,
Hmm.
December after 25th December.
Yeah, yeah. Of course. Yeah, holiday.
So
So, so how is your
yeah,
YouTube journey going?
yes, good. But
Okay.
the problem is that I could not upload video daily.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I can understand. Yeah, some people are not
yes,
available to according to our times. So that's it's happen.
yes, yeah. Sometimes this is happening, and sometimes I have some work. Then I could not do this.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You also teaching to children.
Yes, I teach some
That's
kids.
why, yeah. That's why you have also time. Because
Yeah.
you have available on like 12 to 2 p.m. and that time no people are available.
Yes. And in morning time, some people ask to connect with me, but
Okay.
at that time I am not available.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
so.
busy my household chores.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So that's why not uploading regularly in
Yes, there are so many obstacles
course of
in my life. Yeah.
course. I can understand. Hap- this happened with me also because I'm not giving to time to my YouTube channel a lot.
So we can't. Yeah, it actually I sorry. I have to do everything for my
Yeah.
myself. That's why it's not possible to upload video daily.
Yeah, I can understand. Yeah, because we have time, lot of time to do this thing.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yeah, like editing and other things. It's take too much time.
yeah. Like 4 to 5 hours is wants to YouTube channel. I think take a session and then uploading, editing, like
Yes,
of course.
so now, uh,
Hmm. So
yes,
okay, we will make it again. Okay,
okay, okay. Nice talk to you.
thank you.
Bye bye.